I'm showing you how to create a hanging indent in Canva. Since Canva doesn't currently have a built-in hanging indent button, we're going to use a simple workaround with multiple text boxes to get that professional bibliography look. First, go ahead and add a text box to your design. You want to type out only the first line of your citation or paragraph in this first box. Once that's done, go to the top menu and add a second separate text box for the remaining lines of your text. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to click and drag this second text box so it sits directly below the first one. Now, the important thing is the alignment. Take that second box and slide it to the right by about half an inch or whatever your specific style guide requires. If you're having trouble getting it exactly where you want it with your mouse, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard for more precise positioning. This allows you to nudge the text pixel by pixel until the indent looks perfect. Once you have the two boxes positioned so they look like one cohesive paragraph, you need to make sure they stay that way. Select both text boxes at the same time and click the group button in the top toolbar. This ensures that if you need to move your citation to a different part of the page, the alignment stays intact and you don't have to reposition everything from scratch. Now, keep in mind that this goes both ways. While this method gives you total control over the look of your document, it means that if you change the font size later, you'll have to adjust both boxes manually to keep them looking right. In my case, when I'm working on a long list of references, I find that repeating this two-box method for each entry is the most reliable way to maintain consistent spacing throughout the whole design. Just copy and paste your grouped boxes to save time on the next one. I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you in the next one.